In today's video, we're going to teach you how to cook the sweet, spicy and tangy taco al pastor. Okay, we have pineapple, we have our spices, salt, pepper, chipotle in adobo, we've got some herbs, white vinegar, pineapple juice, about 5 kilos of bone out pork shoulder, and our achiote paste. Now obviously with this recipe you can buy the paste at a few specialty stores. We've got a recipe for just a very basic homemade one with all the spices you can just get from Coles or Woolies, just to make your life a bit easier. The recipe for that paste is just a link in the description there. Alright, so firstly we're going to cut up our pork shoulders, take the skin off, trim down some of the fat. We don't want huge thick pieces, it won't work quite well through the cook. Mix all our ingredients with our pastes, marinate everything, whack it in the fridge. Now at least 2 hours ideally overnight for the marinating. Okay, so our pork shoulder's been marinating for 24 hours. Now we're going to load it up on our skewer. Now traditionally these are stacked vertically and cooked vertically. That's not going to happen this time. We're going to do it horizontally. We've got some gyro discs which will make our life a bit easier, much easier than prongs when doing this. So let's get into it. Okay, so our skewer's all loaded up. We're just waiting on the SNS Kettle to get up to temperature. We're going to set it up for a 2-zone cook. We're going to use an SNS basket. It just means we can move our fire around a little bit. Also gives us the option, we're going to grill some pineapple later. Traditionally, as I said before, this is a vertical cook and you put pineapple on top and the juice runs down. It's not going to work with this style, so we're going to just caramelize some pineapple, dice it up and just add it at the end. Should work out well. Okay, so our pork's got some nice colour. We've got some real crispy bits. We're going to do our first shaving. It's been cooking for about an hour, give or take. So we're going to trim a bit off, whack it back on, baste it with some pineapple juice, get some more colour and some more crispy bits. Well, there you have it. It's an easy recipe, something you can just keep shaving and just serve through the day. Just a steady procession of nice hot food. It smells good. Time to tuck in. You might want to cut. I'm going to keep eating this. There you have it, taco al pastor. It's a crowd pleaser. Thanks for watching today, guys. Full recipe in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe.